Hello and welcome to yet another of my on the bench videos. This time we have a Arcam Alpha 5 Plus. A fine unit indeed, but with CDM-9 mechanism. But as you see, it's in bits, and this is what you have to do to replace what normally goes wrong, and that is the gear that gets stripped, gets brittle and gets stripped. And there's a replacement unit. This unit, however, has already been fixed, so to speak, by someone, and this is the one that has been fitted. It sort of looks like mine, only it isn't. Well, for starters, this thing normally sits in there, right? And has two screw holes. One is here, which is fine. Another one is there, which is broken. It's just, you know, stripped and broken. But I wouldn't probably know that if it wasn't for the fact that the tray was not going out smoothly. And here it is why. You see the actual gear rise, you see, it's just not flat, it's wobbly. And on top of that, which is hard to show you, but the wheel is also eccentric. I don't know whether it can be seen and which spot it is, but it's very hard to do it with one hand. But it is eccentric. So it's eccentric, wobbly, and the guy stripped the thread and on the screw hole and broke it. Well, I'd myself, if I had a part like that, just order another one. Wait a week or two. I mean, customer wouldn't want to have a broken unit half fixed. So it's better to wait a bit and do it properly. Particularly, it's not a rocket science. I mean, it is a bit of doing to take it all apart, because what Arcam have done, they have mounted a mechanism to the main board. So you have to take it all apart in order to get to it. But that's what they've done, and that's what needs to be done. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Cheers.